Welcome! If you are looking for downloaded files in your CYRUS CS40 Freestyle, in a few steps I'm going to show you where you can locate these files. So for the first, let's download something. We are going to take a picture of Cristiano. As you can see, we have to get access to the storage for Google Chrome to let it download files. And right now, when it's finished, we have to go for the file manager, go for internal storage, and then just tap on the download. And as you can see right here, we got the picture of Cristiano Ronaldo. So that's how it looks. In this place you can find every downloaded file. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!